The ZONESUN ZS-AFS01P is an automatic linear 4-head cup filling and sealing machine designed for efficient packaging of yogurt, pudding, jelly, sauces, honey, and other liquid or viscous products. It automatically handles cup feeding, precise piston pump filling, pre-cut film lid placement, and heat sealing. With a production speed of 2,500 to 3,000 cups per hour and customizable cup sizes, it provides a reliable, hygienic solution for dairy, beverage, and food packaging lines.